Hi sir, my name is Nandini Vijayan. Now going to explain lab 2, which is a power amplifier. From power amplifier, I'm going to explain DC parameter. The DC power meter, the power supply using is 9 volt. So I already construct the circuit of DC parameter. So from this, I'm going to measure the value of voltage base, voltage collector, and voltage emitter VCE. So I run this. So this is a VB, VC, VCE, and then VE. So the measurement value and the calculation value is similarly same. So this is the calculation value. The calculation value I get VB is 2.2. The measure value also I get 2.2 also. VE I get 1.5. So the measurement value I get 1.5, and then VC I get 5.75. Here I get 3.103. So the VCE I get 4.22. Here I get 4.4. So that's all, sir. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Azrin Atika bintu Zulkifli. Today I would like to show how to measure current. Okay, this is the transistor. Transistor have three legs, which is here is base, here is emitter, here is collector, and this is emitter. So first we want to find the base current. So we need to connect the multimeter series with the base leg. So here, for to find the base current, here to find the collector current, and here to find the emitter current. So I will play. This is the result. You need to click here. This is for DC and this is for AC. So now we want to measure the DC current. So we click here. This is the value for DC current. Okay, for the calculation. This is the calculation. Okay, this is the calculation. IE is equal to VE divided by RE. We get 32.43 milli, which is here. So, and then for IB we get 190.76 micro, and from multisim we get 150 micro, and for IC is 31.3, which is here. For the IC we get 31.03 minutes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Nilofianti binti Sabudi. I am from BEEE section 1/1. So I will continue with step number 5. Connect a function generator to the input of the amplifier. This is the input of the amplifier. Select sine wave signal of 1 kHz and the amplitude of hundreds millivolt peak to peak. Okay, so this is the frequency and amplitude. I already said it. The amplitude should be divided by 2 as it shown V peak here. So just connect the function generator to the power amplifier. Okay, then the next step is connect the oscilloscope to the output. Observe and measure the output waveform. Okay, as for me, I am going to connect both input and output. So you can see the output and waveform difference between input and output. This is the input. You can connect here. And as for the output, will be connected at C2. Okay, you can just take the function generator and oscilloscope here at the right side of the multisim. Okay, just press the run button and observe the waveform. You can press the auto set and press measure. Just choose peak to peak value for the waveform. You can adjust to see the waveform clearly by adjusting the second division button and voltage division button. Okay, so this is the input. The yellow one is the input waveform and the blue one is the output waveform. So basically you can see here the input is 99.8 millivolt while the output is 907 millivolt. Okay, so the next step is to determine the gain of this amplifier. The gain can be measured or calculated by dividing V output to the V input. So you can just divide 907 millivolt to the 99.8 millivolt. You will get exactly 9.0882 for the gain, for the voltage gain. Okay, so that's all from me.